Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to create a CIP asset and how to capitalize a CIP asset. What is a CIP asset? It is CIP asset means cost in progress or work in progress asset. Say for example, if you are constructing a building, that is known as CIP asset, and the construction of the building is not yet completed, but you want to create the CIP asset. So for that, you have to add CIP cost and CIP clearing accounts. Click on your username. Click on setup and maintenance. Search for the task called asset categories. Open the task manage asset categories. Search with your corporate book. Now I want to add ERPZEN buildings and add CIP cost and CIP clearing accounts. If not, system will not allow you to create CIP assets. Say department and account is CIP. So search. Okay, click on OK. Now add CIP clearing account. One 5930. Click search. Select and click on OK. Hit search. Click on OK. Now say save. ERPZEN buildings. With this category, we are going to create. Say save and close. Say done. Now let us create a CIP asset. Click on navigator. Click on fixed assets. Click on assets. Click on task list. Say click on add asset. Select the asset type as CIP. Now select the category. What is the major category? ERPZEN buildings. What is the minor category? ERPZEN DLF building. Say OK. Say description CIP asset. Since this is work in progress or construction in progress, system will not allow you to add the cost. After capitalizing this asset, you can add the cost. Now give the expense account. Default, 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 and default. Click on OK. Select the location. Say search. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on next. Now you can see description, the CIP asset. Add the asset key. Save OK. And you can now add the cost, or else after capitalizing you can add the cost. To add the cost, click on source lines. Click on add. What is the cost? Say 50 lakhs. The asset cost is 50 lakhs. Now click on save. Say the asset number is 1073. Now click on submit. Now this is the one you have to create. Now select the record and click on post all. The asset additions were submitted. Now let's check the process. Click on tools. Click on scheduled processes. The job is successfully completed. It is succeeded. Post mass additions. Now we'll see how you can capitalize the asset. Click on navigator. Click on assets. Click on task list. Now click on capitalized CIP asset. Now Vivo corporate book and the asset type is CIP and the asset number is 1073. Click on search. Before that, I wanted to show you something. Click on navigator. Click on asset inquiry. Say the asset number is 1073. You can see the asset type as CIP and the asset type as CIP, the corporate book, and the asset number, the description of the asset. And if you click on source lines, you can see the line amount 50 lakhs. Now this asset type, when you capitalized, it will be converted to capitalized. Now let us see the process. Click on navigator. Click on fixed assets. Click on task list. Now click on capitalized CIP asset. Now search with your asset number 1073. Now click on search. Select this record. This is the record and click on capitalized. And on which date you want to place this asset on service, say is today. Click on OK. Now this record will be capitalized. Now check in Enquire Assets. Click on Navigator. Click on Asset Inquiry. Now let us search with asset number. Click on search. See, now it has been capitalized. Asset type as capitalized. Now click on home. In this way, you have to create and capitalize CIP assets in Oracle Fusion Fixed Assets module. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.